He's on my mind, oh, most of the time, picking away at my thoughts like it's his day job. He's there for me when I'm not in need, pestering me till I can't speak. He says he needs me, and I oblige, and then I sink into his bed of lies. He says he wants me, but who knows? The taste of salt runs from my nose. He wants to be inside of me. I tell him no, no, but he won't have it any other way.
少しのわがままと欲張りな気持ち。一つの料理をシェアするのはレストランだけで。
I'm a fighter, but not in the sheets. I couldn't see him, don't look him in the eye. So when he enters, it catches me by surprise. Salt, it's everywhere. Salt, it floods, overflowing, overflowing from my eyes. Salt, it's everywhere. Salt, it floods, and I think I like it, and I think I'll let it. It comes in waves. 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 One, two, three, four. I wanna give it to you, boy, but there's a voice in my head that keeps telling me not to let you see secrets hidden. They don't string together easily. That's just what you do to me. Love should be given freely as we breathe. Love, it's in the air tonight. It's the renaissance of love tonight. Promise that you'll hold on tight. It's the renaissance of love tonight. Promise that you'll be alright. Looking out of my window, nothing but blue skies and a wind that gently anchors me, then opens up my eyes to see a flower blooming so carelessly, and a sweet little bird that looks for food to feed her family, yet still finds time to jump with glee. It is given freely with each breath that we breathe. Love, it makes us whole. of love tonight. Promise that you'll hold on tight. Love, it's the renaissance of love tonight. Promise that you'll be alright. You may think that you'll never find the one who makes you sing. But when you open up your mind, you'll find they're with you already, baby. It's the renaissance of love tonight. Promise that you'll hold on tight. It's the renaissance of love tonight. Promise that you'll be alright. Bella is blind. One day soon she'll see. Now when she's feeling alone, she's always got me. It doesn't matter what I say to assure. She craves my happiness and devalues hers. She does not know what love is. Spits at her own image. Bella is not beautiful. She looks at her arm, 6 scars down her wrist. It's then when she questions how it came to this. I used to cherish life and love my own skin. When will I learn to feel the light again? My soul must be polluted. I've been persecuted. I need to care for my own heart. I really love you. Bella, can't you see? Can't you see how very simple it can be? For the love you give yourself is free now. You wanna try it with me? Bella is healed. She once again sees. She faces her reflection and no longer flees. Bella now knows the joy of dancing in rain. She learned to find the hidden beauty in pain. It's got me addicted. The feeling that her love gives. Bella is so beautiful. Bella is so beautiful. He's on my mind, oh, most of the time. Picking away at my thoughts like it's his day job. He's there for me when I'm not in need, pestering me till I can't speak no more. He says he needs me, and I oblige. And then I sink into his bed of lies. He says he wants me, but who knows? The taste of salt runs from my nose. He wants to be inside of me.